Hey, knowledge lovers. Today, we're focusing on courses that are perfect for all the business students out there. Whether you're just starting your journey in the world of business or looking to sharpen your skills in strategy, analytics, and entrepreneurship, these courses are designed to give you a competitive edge in today's market. In this video, I'll introduce you to some of the best business courses available on Coursera, each of which comes with a certification, is fully online, and can be taken from anywhere in the world. We recommend that you stay until the end of the video to discover your favorite course. The links to access the courses will be in the video description, so make sure to check them out. 1. Business Foundations, University of Pennsylvania. This course is a fantastic starting point for anyone entering the business world. It covers essential topics like marketing, finance, accounting, and operations, giving you a well-rounded understanding of how businesses work. You'll also get a taste of what it's like to think like a business leader and make decisions that drive success. What's great about this course is that it's accessible to beginners, but also valuable for those looking to refresh their business knowledge. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid foundation in business principles, making it easier to dive into more specialized topics later on. 2. Entrepreneurship, University of Pennsylvania. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, this course is for you. It takes you through the entire process, from finding a business idea and building a team to launching your product and securing funding. You'll learn how to create a business plan, pitch to investors, and manage the day-to-day challenges of running a startup. This course is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs or anyone looking to bring an innovative mindset to their workplace. By the end, you'll be ready to turn your big ideas into reality and navigate the exciting world of startups. 3. Business Strategy, University of Virginia. This course teaches you how to analyze competitive landscapes, create strategic plans, and make decisions that position a company for long-term growth. You'll learn frameworks like SWOT analysis and Porter's 5 Forces, which are used by top business leaders around the world. This course is ideal for business students who want to gain insights into high-level decision-making. By the end, you'll be able to think like a strategist, making you a valuable asset to any organization, whether it's a startup or a large corporation. I pause here to mention that if you want to take all these courses, you don't need to pay for them one by one. Just by purchasing the Coursera Plus subscription, you will have access to all these courses and more than 7,000. We will leave you the link in the video description at the best price. Let's continue. Number 4. Business Analytics, University of Pennsylvania. In today's data-driven world, understanding how to analyze data and draw meaningful insights is crucial for any business professional. This course will teach you how to work with data, use analytical tools like Excel and Tableau, and apply these insights to solve real-world business problems. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to develop analytical skills and make data-driven decisions. By the end of the course, you'll be able to use data to inform strategies, understand market trends, and help businesses optimize their operations. 5. Business and Financial Modeling, University of Pennsylvania. This course dives deep into the financial side of business, teaching you how to build and interpret financial models. You'll learn how to forecast revenues, evaluate investment opportunities, and understand financial statements in detail. This course is ideal for those who want to work in finance, investment banking, or any role that requires a strong understanding of financial analysis. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create detailed financial models that can help businesses plan for the future and make smart investment decisions. It's a great skill to have if you're looking to work in finance or manage your own investments. 6. AI for Business, University of Pennsylvania. This course will introduce you to the fundamentals of AI and how it can be applied to business processes. You'll learn about machine learning, predictive analytics, and how AI can optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and create new business opportunities. This course is perfect for anyone interested in the intersection of technology and business. By the end, you'll be able to leverage AI to improve business performance, making you a valuable player in the digital age. 7. International Business, University of Colorado Boulder. In today's globalized world, understanding international markets is key to growing a successful business. This course teaches you how to navigate the complexities of global trade, manage cross-cultural teams, and adapt business strategies to different markets. This course is ideal for students who want to work in multinational companies or start businesses that operate globally. By the end of the course, you'll have the skills to think globally, adapt to international markets, and make strategic decisions that help businesses thrive across borders. Remember, all of these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one individually. How? By acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription, which gives you access to over 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. It's an incredible deal, especially if you're serious about mastering various aspects of business. The link with the best price will be in the video description, so don't miss out. So there you have it, 7 of the best Coursera courses for business students, covering everything from entrepreneurship and strategy to analytics and international business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, these courses will help you succeed in the world of business. Until next time, knowledge lovers.